Hey guys, Cam here, and not long ago we received this box from DJI. In it, you'll find the usual accessories, including a bunch of cables for connecting various phones to the remote control, the power adapter which charges the drone battery, and the remote, as well as the usual extensive paperwork. And let's not forget, there's a drone in here as well. But we can't get a proper look at it in the office, so once unboxed, I took it on a little road trip. So I've come out to the hills and we're going to go drone flying. To be more specific, we've got the Mavic 2 Pro, which is the one that has the awesome Hasselblad sensor on the front. So we've come here to check it out and we're going to see what the footage looks like and if the photos are any better than what we've seen so far from all the other DJI drones. From the outside, the Mavic 2 Pro looks like a slightly larger Mavic Pro, except there are many more sensors dotted around the body. These, for the first time, mean the professional Mavic series can detect obstacles in every direction, including on top. Now, the drone has lots of features designed to both make it easy to fly and shoot for beginners, while also catering for professionals. The 20 megapixel Hasselblad camera on the front has a huge 1-inch sensor, and it's capable of shooting 10-bit HDR photos, as well as 4K video at 30 frames per second, and it shoots in Dlog-M profile, so color graders out there can make the footage look the way they want it to. Now, of course, being a powerful DJI drone means lots of built-in flight modes. The easiest to use are the QuickShot modes that automatically detect people and focus on them while following a preset flight path. You can circle or orbit, or shoot a droney where the drone flies up and away. And there's also the awesome mode that flies straight up and creates a tiny planet effect. There's also the active tracking modes, which actually follows the subject while it's moving, and you can set it to do this from the side or behind or from the front. As well as these advanced shooting modes, we managed to get around 25 minutes of flight time from the battery, and it coped well with the stiff breeze that often frequents the North Wales coast. Footage overall was really smooth, detailed, and when graded, really vibrant. Now onto the photos. And with HDR mode switched on, it takes some fantastic colourful shots, even in fairly harsh contrasting light conditions. But here you go, you can check them out for yourself. On the whole, my time with the Mavic 2 Pro has been fantastic. It offers the professional high-quality imagery and flight experience of the much larger Phantom 4 Pro Obsidian, but it's packed into a device that can fold up and fit into your bag. It's £1,349, but it's really great. I've been Cam, I'm at Cam Bunton on social media. I'll see you again soon.